If you're frustrated because Telegram just won't load images or videos, you're absolutely not alone. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through the most effective ways to fix Telegram when media files aren't loading, whether you're on Windows or Mac. By the end of this video, you'll have a toolkit of solutions to get your chats and all those important images and videos working again. So let's get started right away, first things first. Let's tackle some quick fixes that actually solve this issue most of the time. Before diving into settings or reinstalling anything, start by checking your internet connection. Telegram relies heavily on a steady Wi-Fi or data network. If your media won't load, take a moment to ensure your connection isn't spotty. You could open another website or stream a simple video to double-check. If possible, switch to another network, say from Wi-Fi to your phone's hotspot or vice versa. Sometimes it's as simple as your router being a little finicky. Next up, restart the Telegram app completely. This isn't just minimizing or logging out, you'll want to fully quit Telegram. On Windows, that means right-clicking the Telegram icon in your system tray and selecting Quit. On Mac, make sure the app isn't just closed but quit from your dock. Reopening after a full quit can clear out stuck processes or temporary glitches that prevent media from loading. If you're still stuck, give your computer a restart. It seems basic, but restarting your PC clears out locked files, refreshes network drivers, and can resolve low-level system issues that could be tripping up Telegram behind the scenes. Don't skip this step, it's amazing how often a simple reboot does the trick. Another crucial check, is your Telegram app up to date? Head over to telegram.org and grab the latest version for your operating system. Updates often fix bugs and compatibility issues, so running the freshest copy gives you the best chance at smooth performance. Still not loading? Try opening Telegram Web, just head to web.telegram.org in your browser. If media loads there but not in the app, it's likely an issue with your installed client rather than your chat or network. This is a quick, low-hassle way to isolate the problem. Let's talk about more advanced solutions in case those didn't work. Sometimes files in the app get corrupted or settings become tangled behind the scenes. If you suspect this is the case, uninstall Telegram completely, then download and install the newest version right from the official site. Don't worry about losing your chats. Your messages and media are stored in the cloud, so logging back in will restore them. If you use a VPN or a proxy server for privacy or access, try disabling it temporarily. Sometimes VPNs route traffic through locations that Telegram servers don't play nicely with, slowing down or blocking media entirely. You can also try switching to a different VPN server if you don't want to disconnect completely. And if after all these attempts nothing works, don't panic. Telegram's support team is there to help. Reach out to them through their official channels. Sometimes there are account-specific issues or bugs that they can resolve for you directly. Onto in-app settings, which can be a hidden culprit. Open Telegram settings, go to Advanced and select Manage Storage Usage. Here you'll find the option to clear cache. This removes temporary files that, when overloaded or corrupted, can cause media not to load correctly. Clearing cache doesn't affect your chats, it's just about cleaning up space and refreshing how Telegram stores your media. Now, while you're in Advanced, double-check your automatic media download settings. Make sure Telegram isn't set to block image or video downloads, especially on mobile data. These settings help conserve bandwidth, but if set too restrictively, you won't see much media at all. Finally, peek into your chat settings for sensitive content filtering. If the filter is overly strict, media might be blocked or hidden. Tweak these settings to match your preferences and don't worry if you need to experiment a bit here. And that's it. If you methodically go through these steps, you'll almost always fix Telegram's image and video loading issues. If you found this tutorial helpful, please click like below, drop a comment if you have any follow-up questions. I love helping viewers troubleshoot, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.